Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Happy Friday. Seems like I say that quite a bit because our weeks keep flying right by. Today I have a 12 by 12 staple backed canvas and I'm going to do a string pull. I don't think I've done a string pull yet. So I'm using all metallics today. They're all FolkArt. I have silver sterling and FolkArt antique copper, FolkArt pure gold, and lastly FolkArt bronze. Pouring medium is about 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. GAC 800 was added to all the paints. I do have a very light coating of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White all over my canvas. And I did use my squirt bottles to put the paint down. And what I've done is all my strings I've put in the paint and I've soaked them pretty well. So let's get started. I kind of measured them so they would fit on the canvas real well. And I haven't done any string art in quite a long time. So we'll see how it goes. One more. Okay, I'm just going to take my stick and I'm going to press them down just a little bit to make sure that the paint is getting good contact with the canvas. And if you hear a funny noise, that's my dog under the table snoring. Okay, now I have a little ring that I'm going to try and pull up all these ends. To pull them through. I think I have them all. And I'll just pull them through very slowly here. Not bad. think I'll try and do a little something with the center of that. Just take some of my paint here. Okay, and I'm going to torch it. Very quick video. So let me get you down, see what you think. Just a string pull using metallics. Okay, here's the upper left-hand corner. The lower left-hand corner. Now I'll take you up through the middle now. And there's the right-hand corner, upper right-hand corner here. And the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you ring the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.